In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a photo into a new project and stretch it to fill more space, all while keeping things clean and polished. First, open Adobe Express. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. Give it a moment to load the workspace so all your tools are available. If the home page looks busy, don't worry, we're heading straight into a fresh project so you have a clear place to work. Next, click Start New Design. This creates a blank canvas where you can control the layout without distractions. You'll see options for different project types, but for expanding an image, a standard blank canvas is perfect. The exact size isn't critical at this stage. We're focusing on bringing in your photo and adjusting it visually. Now, select the sample option. This simply gets you into an editable space quickly with a ready-to-use canvas. Think of it as a fast lane to start designing without picking a template or a preset theme. Once your canvas is open, select Media. This is where you bring in your photo. The Media panel is your hub for adding content, photos, videos, and other assets. Opening it ensures you're pulling your image in the right way so it sits on the canvas as an editable layer. Then, select the photo you want to work with. Choose the image from your device or your connected libraries and let it load onto the canvas. When it appears, click it once to make sure it's active. You'll see resize handles at the corners and sides, which is exactly what we need for the expansion. Finally, stretch. Click and drag a corner handle outward to scale the image up smoothly. Corners are best if you want to increase the size proportionally and avoid distortion. If you only need more width or height, drag a side handle, but keep an eye on the image to make sure elements don't look squashed. If part of the canvas is still visible and you want a full edge-to-edge look, keep pulling until the photo slightly overshoots the canvas. This helps avoid tiny gaps along the edges. If the image feels off-center after stretching, drag it to reposition and frame your subject nicely. A quick tip, zoom out if you need more room to drag the handles confidently, and zoom back in to check the details. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, selected a sample workspace, brought in your media, chose your photo, and stretched it to the perfect size. You're ready to use this technique across any project that needs a clean, expanded image.